April Dojo Assembly. Wow, you guys, that was really good. You quieted down very well. This month's topic was honesty, and we have all of our beautiful, lovely winners up here. Let's give them a round of applause. So, as a lot of you know, tomorrow starts New York State math testing. So, as we did last month, I want everybody in K1 and 2 to turn around and yell good luck when I say 3. Are you ready? Turn around a little bit. Just turn your head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, you guys. So good job, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and 6th grade. Good luck on the test. You guys are going to do great, I am sure. We have a lot of smart, wonderful kids in this school, and even better, amazing teachers to get you ready for it. All right? So other than that, we are going to get started with our Honesty Dojo winners. We are going to start with kindergarten. We're going to start with Miss Zelznak's class with Yusuf Khan Sulmankil. Next, from Mrs. Naimi's class, we have Arslan Hosanovich. From Mrs. Ronaldo's room, we have Awal Awan Dutt. From Mr. Pagliero's room, we have Marvelous Min. And from Mrs. Smith's room, Arhenis Pina Dupree. Good job, kindergarten winners. All right, we're going to move on to 1st grade. Mrs. Menino's class, we have Layla Muratovich. From Mrs. Ramache's room, Jacqueline Mija Benyos. From Mrs. Alicia's room, we have Zafira Peak. Unfortunately, she's not here today. And also from Mrs. DeMezzo's room, who's also not here, we have LaShawn Tillery. From Miss Wormus' room, Fatumo Osman. Good job, 1st grade. All right, moving on. 2nd grade. From Mrs. Kalishi's room, we have Juma Juma. From Mrs. Scaparo's room, we have Genesis Mendoza Figueroa. From Mrs. Thompson's room, Nadi Wynn. From Mrs. Alberico's room, Gabriel Lynn. Good job, 2nd grade. All right, we're moving on, 3rd grade. From Mrs. McEwen's room, Min Mayat. From Mrs. Payne's room, Gabriel Gonzalez. From Mrs. Williams' room, Noor Wahib. And from Mrs. Whiter's room, Akwel Anik. Good job, 3rd grade. All right, moving on. 4th grade, Miss Murphy's room, Deborah Tran. Mrs. Parada's room, Ideen Wajajik. From Mrs. Jackson's room, Irina Tanvir. From Mrs. Evelo's room, Janice Wright. And from Mrs. Gadara's room, Azal Elshuga. Good job, fourth grade winners. All right, from Mrs. Schaefer's room, Safa Al-Saweed. From Mrs. Bishop, Diamelis Nolasco. From Mrs. DeLuke, Ideen Bektik. AJ. And from Mrs. Tobias's room, Johan Ramate. Good job, fifth graders. All right, sixth grade. From Mrs. Ferrucci, May Pearl Mayant. From Mrs. Reben's room, April Wynn. From Mrs. Banzer's room, Rondell Jimenez. And from Miss Spataro's room, Ramon Lapai. Good job, sixth grade. All right, last but not least, special area. From music with Mrs. Larish, we have Zaylin Brown. From art with me, Mrs. Vega, we have Lucy Mambazi. Phys ed with Mr. Crusoe, Sulianpo, Sulipai. Library with Mr. Fega, Ramari Patterson. And phys ed with Mr. Caswell, Layla Palick. Good job, special area. Let's give one more round of applause for all of our April Honesty winners. Everybody stand up. Stand up. All right, I am turning the presentation over to Mrs. Bishop, Mrs. Parada, and Ms. Spataro for Honor Society.
Good morning, Columbus School. Good morning. Hi, everyone. The Honor Society Committee wants to acknowledge the students who achieved the following requirements. The sixth graders have to have a total average of a 90 or higher. The fourth and fifth graders have to have 4s and high 3s. All satisfactory and excellence for behavior. All homework and classwork has to be completed. I would like to announce the sixth grade Honor Society students. When I call your name, just please walk up and let's all stand together. Sixth graders, Madison Duncantel, Banine Kadam, May Mio Mia, Helena Stockbridge, Norena Din. Heller. Lynn Maya. Lulu Seminaro. Jillian So. Kelly Tu. Alan Tresno. April Wynn. Yusuf Ali. Amira Hadzik. And Mark Palmer. Congratulations again to the sixth graders. I'd like to introduce Mrs. Bishop to announce the fifth graders.
Good morning, Columbus School. Oh, I'm so excited we're in person. All right, our fifth grade Honor Society students, when I call your name, please come forward. Karina Salyuzitsky. Kimberly Pham. Diamalis Nolasco. Zion Mu. Justin Nguyen. Brian Umana. Giada Dorsano. Adriana Vu. Emma Muratovich. Harrison Marble. Janetta Kalick. Averlyn Tway. Merlinda I'm gonna try that again. Jelilovich. Did I say it? Jelilovich. I'm gonna practice that one. Marlissa Amend. Brandon Robinson. Aiden Karaka. Kun Ha. Atia Anik. Nay Khan. Hey U. Addison Lamock. Safa El Suede. Spandin Kawas. And Adria La. Congratulations, fifth grade. Can't wait to see that number grow for last quarter. Let's work hard. And now we'll have Mrs. Parada introduce our fourth grade Honor Society winners. Good morning, Columbus. All right, on to our fourth grade Honor Society. Wael Ahmed, Janelis LeBoy, Noah Larrabee, Angel Meha Benos, Trezell Morse, Christopher Stanford, Abigail Arias, Nadar Gay, Ariana Panawagwa, Sue Suliampio, Theo Toon, Natar Hatu, Yakya Kuja, Aria Milkovich, Miriam Mu, Adeem Krieger, Liberty Sayre, Adeem Mugajic, Victoria Nugent, Santiago Camano. Congratulations to our 4th, 5th, and 6th grade Honor Society students. Congratulations. Hope to see more of you guys up here next marking period.
Okay, guys, we are going to talk real quick about our May. We're going to talk really quickly about our May Dojo character trait, which is loyalty. Let me hear you say loyalty. Good job. Got a couple memes for you. All right. Loyalty means keeping your commitments and your promises. Loyalty is caring for others. Loyalty is helping when people are in need, as well as serving in your community. An example of loyalty could be sticking up for a friend when they are not there to defend themselves. All right, real quick, and then I'll let you go. May, mindfulness. We are going to talk about the Happiness Factory. I'll read it all to you on, well, when is May? Monday. I'll write it to you next Monday. All right, and then one more thing is our May positive affirmation. I'm going to say it, and then you're going to say it. I can handle any change that comes my way. Let's do it one more time. I can handle any change that comes my way. Give yourselves a round of applause. That is all we have for today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Monday, and good luck on the state test tomorrow, you guys.